Are points accumulated on shopping loyalty cards when converted to pounds, should this be included in calculation of zakah? So the points accumulated on shopping loyalty cards.
I have no idea of shopping loyalty cards. Okay, I have no idea. So, but anyway,
Nectar and club cards.
Nectar and club cards is going to give you a lot of money. MashaAllah.
And more than one year you have to hold it, isn't it?
You know what I mean? Okay. Once you pay your zakah, that's the moment you pay zakah, add all the assets that you've got, including those few pounds that you're talking about. I don't think it's going to be a lot of pounds, And the nectar card, they don't give you that much, unless you are a buyer and seller with hundreds of thousands of pounds. That's something else. So I would say, you always calculate everything in order to get the zakah correctly. طيب, any question from here, Akhwani?